Hi, I'm Andrew Cairns, Operations Director at Inixion. Today I'll be talking about Sage 1500 reaching end of life in 6 months and the key reasons why you should consider Sage X3 as your next ERP system. As a Sage 1000 or 500 user, you'll probably be aware that these ERP systems will no longer be supported from the 31st of December 2024. Hopefully you'll have plans in place for replacement of these systems already, but if not, then you might want to consider some of the risks that an unsupported system can pose for your company. Have you considered cybersecurity? A system that's regularly updated by Sage will include the latest protection against cyber attacks on your system. And what about regulation and compliance? A system that's supported will get updates that include the latest regulations that your business has to comply with. Imagine the amount of administration that you will have to do in future to ensure compliance. If you're at the stage where you're considering replacing Sage 1000 or 500 with another system, then why not have a look at Sage X3? Sage X3 is Sage's flagship ERP system, giving you the benefit of features that will make it even easier to manage your business. Staying on Sage may also seem appealing. You will no doubt be comfortable with Sage products and familiar with their features. Here are my top 3 features that make Sage X3 a great alternative to your current end-of-life Sage system. 1. Sage X3 is a single version of the truth, meaning that all the departments and processes in your business are recorded in one single solution, giving you access to real-time data and minimizing room for error, so you have complete control and visibility across the whole business. 2. Sage X3 is multi-everything, so multi-currency, multi-company, multi-ledger, multi-site and multi-legislation, allowing you to easily manage everything. 3. Sage X3 is highly configurable to your unique processes. You may be hesitant to replace your current system as you may have refined it to work exactly how you need it. Sage X3 can be tailored to replicate those processes, or it can be configured to new processes that work even better for your business. The system is also really suited to manufacturers and distributors with great standard functionality for companies operating in those industries. These are just 3 key features I like, but there are many more. And if you'd like to find out more about Sage X3, we have lots of resources on our website, or alternatively, get in touch with Inixion to discuss your requirements. We'd love to have the opportunity to show you how Sage X3 can meet your requirements. Thank you.